Alright, it's okay.
I don't like this at all. I don't help it.
Why don't you like this, Tyra?
I'm scared.
Why are you scared?
I'm just scared, okay? I'm scared we're gonna drown. I'm scared.
You got a life jacket on.
I don't like how she works.
Baby, you got a life jacket on. You know how to swim.
Just a little bit.
Well, you would float, baby, because you're life
I
jacket.
don't like it after she said I'm afraid. I'm afraid there's snakes.
Oh, honey. There's snakes up there where you swimming at.
I'm scared. Why are we going down?
You're not. You're not, baby.
Is that how it's supposed to be or something?
Yeah.
Hey, what's that?
Are you okay?
What do I like it?
Are you getting better?
Oh, I'm scared after this.
Mom, you're okay.
Mommy.
You gotta get over your fear.
Oh. It looks like we're going down.
You're not going down, Tyra.
Stop it.
Alright.
Stop!
Oh! You better let her go.
Well, when you're careful, you might get flooded in the water.
Oh.
You drown.
It's okay.
Mommy.
You're okay.
I'm scared.
We're turning around.
No, we're not.
Yeah, we are. We're going to take this way here.
All the way up there.
No.
I'm scared. Please, anything loud. Please.
Is that better?
Oh, I want to go back.
You are.
What do
You
you
like
do?
turn this thing around as in a circle?
No, I want to go back. I want to go back.
How fast can you swim?
Mommy! No!
I know you're not fun. You're having fun, aren't you, baby?
No!
You're having fun, aren't you, Candace? You having fun, Candace? Huh? I can't hear you.
Yeah!